Alright, so what we're going to need to do is we're going to expand the logs. So since it's multiplication, we can use the power product logarithm property or whatever to make and that's our final answer. Since then we can do the same thing, but this has a power, so we can add a 3 log 2, and that's our final answer. And we have the same thing for this. And since it applies to both, it goes on both of them. Sorry if you couldn't see the last one that well. So since this applies to both, it's going to be 6. We're going to have 5 log 6. And since this is in the denominator, we have to do minus 5 log 11. That is our final answer. Then we can do the same thing for this one with a 4 log 2 minus log 5. And we can do the same thing for this one. A log of u minus, since there's a power here, we can do 2 log of v. And that is our final answer. This one's a bit longer, but it applies to all 3. So it's just going to be 3 log this, this, and this. That is our final answer. Then we're going to have log, remember the 7 there, 7, z plus log of 3. And then the 3 applies to all of them. And remember, anything in the numerator, that's a plus. Anything in the denominator, that's a minus. So log, right, 3 log a plus 3 and that is our final answer for number 10. Then I'm gonna be doing condensing tomorrow. So I'm gonna be finding, hold up. So I'm gonna be doing these 8 now. So what we're gonna do, we know that this 2 makes it a 2 log of a, and we know a equals 7, so we just have 2 times 7, 14. That is our final answer. It's pretty simple, I think. And we can do the same thing for this. So log of a minus log b. So then we can do 7 minus 3, or 4. Next, we really need to expand this one, I suppose. So we have log of a plus 3 log b. So then we have 7 plus 3 times 3, which is 9. Then we get a 16. Log of 1 over a, we can turn this into a log of a to the power of negative 1, which is essentially just negative so then we're going to have that negative of that 7, which is right there. Then we're going to go back to this question right here. It's going to be 3 log, because the power is going to both of these, of a, minus, because it's in the denominator, 3 log of b. So then we can plug that in. 3 times 7 minus 3 times 3, sorry. So that we know that that is 21 minus 9, which, with some math, is 12, I think. Then, this is basically the same thing as this. We're going to get log of, since it's b squared, we can just put that right there, of b to the negative 1, right? So then we can put the negative 2 log b, which negative 2 times 3, negative 6. Then we have this one, sorry, it's going to be 3 log of b, which is just 3 times 3, 9. So this one's a little bit different because it's got a on the bottom, which doesn't really change much, but it's going to be 2 log, because we have that power right here, b minus log a, because it's in the denominator. We're going to get 2 times 3 minus 7, or negative 1. 6 minus 7 is negative 1, by the way. So then we're going to be expanding these logarithmic equations, which can be done pretty simply. It's just going to be log base 2 of 5 plus log base 2 of x. That's our final answer. And this one right here, we're going to have the log 7 plus, since there's a 4 to the x, we're going to have 4 log x. Then we're going to have this 2x, which is going to be log 6 of 2 plus log 6 of x, since those are in the numerator, sorry. And then minus, since it's in the denominator, we're going to have log base of 6 y. Then see the error that this person did. See this 3 right here, it was not in the power, which is what we would need to do this. What it would actually be would be a log base 4 3 plus log base 4 x. So it would be now these questions, they're condensing, and I'm going to be doing that tomorrow. And these ones for change of base, I'll also be doing that tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.